Attwood set to throw, fires downfield, it's complete again. Touchdown, Hurricanes.
And just another.
Here goes. Beautiful pass play. Formation. Attwood airs it out. Pass into the end zone is caught. Shotgun formation. Fires complete to number 9.
Hurricanes route, the fake pitch. Roll out.
Attwood fakes both, takes off running, heads for the sideline. To the 20, makes the move inside. Attwood fires downfield, complete to number 5, Deshaun Thornton.
There you go, Seiji. There you go, kid. There you go. There you go.
In motion. Fake pitch out by number 15. Quarterback sneak, picks it up. Up.
Attwood fires downfield, got a man. Touchdown, Hurricanes.
Quarterback sneak, number 15.
Attaboy. Oh boy.
On the third down play, pitch goes to 38. Adams, he's in trouble in the end zone.
And look who it is once again, big number 15.
Hand off again to number 38. Number 9, McGarity looking to throw. Coakley met in the backfield by number 15.
Buccaneers, ball to 32.
Coakley takes the direct snap. He's met in the backfield by number 15, Sage Attwood. Kohlberg fires downfield. There for the interception, number 15, Sage Attwood. Pass is intercepted by number 15, Sage Attwood. He could go all the way, touchdown, Hurricanes.